Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Everybody loves tomatoes. One of the better varieties is that of Better Boy. Better Boy is an indeterminate variety. Tends to probably get 3 or 4 feet tall. Better Boy, like most tomatoes, needs full sun for best production. Also, of course, it takes about 70 days from the time you plant it to the time that you're harvesting fruit. It's one that you do want to make sure with all tomatoes that you're doing the growing after the last chance of frost. Doesn't take cold weather very well. But full sun, make sure you add a good peat perlite combination. Does well in container gardening. I mean large containers, because it gets to be a large plant. So you wouldn't have it in a hanging basket. You'd want this plant in a large open container, maybe an earth box or something of that nature. It is VFN, which means it's verticillium, fusarium, and nematode resistant. But that also means that you need to still plant it in a pretty good improved soil. So add your extra peat, extra cow manure, and extra fertilizer. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.